Hey, it's Chris Aiken from the Classic Metal Show with your daily question, your CMS question of the day. And today's question, interesting one, and one that's probably going to turn a lot of people onto some new music they're not aware of. I hope if you guys answer and leave your questions in the or your answers in the comments. That question is, I want everybody to name a band that they think is great, but most people don't know, and yet people that hear it will go, "Oh yeah, that band sounds like whoever, Metallica, Rat, Poison, Motley Crue, Metal Church, whoever." So I want a fairly unknown band, don't say Dream Theater, okay? Unknown band, or not necessarily unknown, but not widely known band that sounds like somebody else that could turn somebody on to some good music that they might be missing. And I'll start the playing with this band right here. The band is called Kyler. And if you're not familiar with them, look them up on YouTube or Facebook or wherever the fuck you look for music these days. And check these guys out. They're a groove metal band. It's kind of like one part Pantera and maybe another part a little bit heavier than that, like the, maybe Exhorder type of a sound. But a lot of Pantera type groove in it, like a heavier Texas Hippie Coalition maybe. But I'm loving this band, Kyler. They kick ass, and they are definitely a band that you guys should be checking out if you have not already. So Kyler would be my pick for a band that people don't know but sounds like somebody else and is worth a listen to. So that's my pick for today. I'm curious what yours is. Again, leave your answer to who a great band might be that some of us haven't heard but should hear, because they sound like somebody else that we probably like. All right? Leave it in the comments, and that'll do it for today. We'll see you guys later. Peace.